I'm going to show you how to update the Salesforce record lighting page layout. Alright, so let's go to account. Alright, in here you will see the list of your account records. So let's open one account record. And you will notice that the default view is the related list or the related information. And to see the record details, you will have to click on the Details tab. Since a lot of people wants to see the record details first, and to save you from clicking, let me show you how to edit this record page. Let's go to Cogwheel. On the upper right, go to Edit Page. Alright, and this will direct you to editing the page layout. So you will notice here that these are the information. So when you click on the white space, on the right-hand panel, you will see the details on that section. So here is the default tab. So what you need to do is to click on the drop-down button, like what I did, and select the details to be the default tab. Click Details. And now, click the Details object right here and move it above the Related tab, then click on Save. And if we click back, it will take us back to the account record. And you notice that the layout has already been updated. So by default, when you go to Accounts, click on or open a new record or an existing account record, you're gonna land on the Details view and you can just click on Related tab if you want to see the related list of this record.